Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best halo headlights on Amazon. Headlights can yellow and fog as they age, and a headlight bulb replacement or even a headlight restoration kit will fix a headlight that has seen the sun for several years. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Okmak LED Halo Ring Angel Eyes. The Okmak 7-inch LED halo headlights are an upgrade from standard halogen headlights thanks to a 3600 lumen low beam and 4800 lumen high beam. This makes them brighter than halogen lights. These LEDs promise reduced glare for oncoming traffic and a uniform beam pattern for nighttime illumination. These lights feature a simple circular halo and intricate LED headlight design within the halo. The halo changes color via an app with a color wheel, as well as a music function to make the lights shine in tune with the stereo. As is standard for this group of products, they are IP67 waterproof and have aluminum housings. An excellent 50,000-hour lifespan rounds out an excellently balanced product at a reasonable price with few downsides. What we like about it: money-back guarantee, excellent nighttime illumination, RGB halos. What we don't like about it: RGB is controlled only through an app. Some quality issues with halos. Some issues with aftermarket Jeep grills. Number 2. Sprite 7-inch LED headlights. The Sprite 7-inch LED headlights with high-low beam compatible with 1997 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JKL JCJTJ Hummer H1 H2 plug-and-play Halo DRL round headlamps DOT approved. The Sprite 7-inch LED headlights with high-low beam compatible with 1997 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JKL JCJTJ Hummer H1 H2 plug-and-play Halo DRL round headlamps DOT approved is a top-of-the-line product designed specifically for Jeep owners. The headlights offer a powerful and bright light that illuminates even the darkest roads. They are compatible with a range of Jeep models and come with a plug-and-play design for easy installation. This comes with a plug-and-play design that makes them easy to install. You do not need any special tools or expertise to install them. What we like about it: excellent illumination, unique design. What we don't like about it: expensive. Number 3. Sunpie Halo LED headlights. These Sunpie headlights offer a competitive amount of features, functionality, and aesthetics. RGB color changing halos are standard with this headlight, as well as controls via a smartphone app. These headlights also come with a physical remote. All of the standard segment highlights are here. 50,000-hour lifespan, waterproof, and anti-flicker design packaged into one neat plug-and-play headlight. While the LED headlight performance doesn't top the segment, it sits at a respectable 3200 lumens for the low beam, with a 6000 Kelvin color temperature. These are a touch more expensive than others on this list, and though you get a full RGB remote, it has limited colors. What we like about it: RGB remote, nice design, focused beam pattern. What we don't like about it: expensive, limited RGB colors, lower end, 3200 lumen brightness. Number 4. Sunpie Colorful Rotating Halo LED Headlights. These Sunpie rotating RGB halo headlights have a striking halo design with a powerful lifespan. They almost look like turbine blades, and the LEDs within the blades can rotate so that they can change color one after the other for a spinning effect. Thanks to this design, the possibilities for color patterns and small-scale light shows are endless. The segment standard 50,000-hour lifespan is present, as well as LEDs for the main headlight unit. These headlights have a large centrally mounted projector that offers excellent nighttime illumination if you can look past the imposing design. They are expensive, however, and issues can occur with fitment on various makes and models. What we like about it: unique design, best headlight projector design, 50,000-hour lifespan for all LEDs. What we don't like about it: unique design can be hard for some to enjoy. Issues can occur when fitting on various vehicles. Expensive. Number 5. LX Light Jeep LED Headlights. These LX Light 7-inch LED halo headlights and LED fog lights present an excellent combination of performance and aesthetics. While they might not have the color-changing bells and whistles or provide the most brightness, they are a good value for any headlight and fog light combo. LX Light has managed to offer decent LED fog lights with the halos. What we like about it? Priced well. Classy and well-matched LED halos for all 4 lights. No flicker. What we don't like about it? Expensive. No RGB color changing function. Low 3000 lumen headlight brightness. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.